Check in, my beautiful people. Good night. Welcome back to another video. Alright, guess what? So like I say, we will be stuck on the island for the next couple of hours. Actually, we staying until tomorrow. Seeing we come to deliver some stuff, and just to kind of look at the severity of the damage that was done to the island. And trust me, it is so bad. 90 to 95 or even more percent of everything has been hit. You see me? Hurricane Beryl really never spare nobody over here. So everything, school, church, business places, everything, homes, everything. So we decided that we're gonna stay. Actually, uh, as you can see, I'm in the car, camping in the car. We have some water and some snacks, and I'm just now trying to edit a video on my phone that we took today. The whole island is in darkness. They have one and two little hot spots where solar light or generator powered light is, and that's where most of the people who remain on the island basically just gather. So guys, this is them charging station, so people just come charge up them phone and other devices, as you can see. Yeah, there are Wi-Fi spots around as well, so people can go and connect and just try to reach out to their family and loved ones, just to make sure they stay in contact so they can know that they are okay. Alright, trust me, I've seen so much today, and wow, it was something, I tell you. Jano, heartbreaking. Talk about I've never seen anything like this in all of my life. Never. I've seen houses crumble. I talk about concrete house crumble down to nothing. And I was thinking that maybe something like a light pole or something dropping at the house. Them. No, at the breeze. Like, me never know that. I mean, it was like a tornado. You see me? I can't believe say, yo, breeze could do such damage. You see me? I mean, the people over here, they are strong, because majority of them, they're hanging in there and they're even smiling. I mean, when you go through that and still know that you have to live with this for however long, you don't know where or how you're gonna get food the next day, it's really rough. You have kids, really rough. Elderly people, trust me. Yeah, some of them are held up in shelters here, as well as some basically gone to mainland to kind of hold up. You see me? But everybody can't leave, because if everybody leave, then who will stay here to kind of rebuild and clean up and all of that? So we have people down here, boats come down here every day to drop supplies, family members send food and all of that. Trust me. So we decided that we're gonna camp, stay the night, not knowing where we were going to sleep or anything like that. Luckily, we were provided with a little house. Basically 8 of us. So my team, including the St. Vincent and the Grenadines team. So right now they are inside, and we just decided, say, we're gonna chill out here for a while. Guys, I was at one of the Wi-Fi hotspot areas, just trying to use some Wi-Fi and thing. I have to run well left that, brother. Like, when I talk about mosquito, so you can just imagine you know, a lot of mosquito here, and then the place hot. So right now I am on the pier or on the wharf. Me, T-Bag and Climber. Actually, T-Bag have in line, say I go catch some fish, and you can just see how outside dark when we step out, but it's really cool. Like, look, there is no light. The light that you're seeing now reflecting on me is from the one of the boats. This boat will stay here until tomorrow. It leaves back for the mainland at 7, so I think we're gonna go back up on this boat and think. I'm not even sure how we're gonna get on it either, because we don't have no pass or anything like that, you know. This is the boat, yeah. And then, like I say, 1 and 2 areas of little light, you know, you can see them in the distance, but apart from that, the place is pretty much pitch black. So you're gonna see this video before you actually see the, you know, the main video that we came here for, because this one I won't edit it or anything. I'll just shoot it straight. And here you can see this is the car. We basically just back up on the pier so we can get the cool breeze, as you can see. Yeah, basically just back up so we can get some cool breeze. And we did buy a destroyer, but you know, we left it in the car, and then where we were taking the Wi-Fi wasn't really close, so we couldn't just run complete and run go back. Alright, so for the night, this is what I have, you know, to serve me. And then we'll have, you know, just some snacks and thing. So we just have to just go and tug it out. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get some sleep, maybe wake up back, and then just kinda go and edit the video. Outside dark, but so you can see T-Bag and Climber there out there. So
right now, out there still need no fun. Only thing I need right now, I'm pillar.
T-Bag there.
I probably have to carry one sheet when I'm time.
So you give up on the fishing chook?
Yeah, I give up. Only thing I need out there is just one sheet and one pillar.
So where you look for?
No, Ruffles.
What's Ruffles?
The Ruffles. I am here, man. How Ruffles? Look, he's about to put the Ruffles at the
Go and see it, man.
home big. No, enough steak. You serve too long, serve too much? No, I don't want no car cheese.
So Murphy and the Vinci team indoors, you know, inside in the hut, them have light because there's a generator there, but Right now, out here so cool. So this is where I will be spending the night. Inside the car. Remember I said we're out here without fear, you know, guys. So really out here without fear, you know. Yeah, man. And again, trust me, when you just stay tuned and me I go show you know, in the upcoming video just how bad it is, cause me no want to see nothing yet. I don't know, hear the story of the people yet. Where that do come? Panya?
What?
One car. So we see him come the son. I don't know why him next move. So guys, we're outside, we're out here without fear. You don't know how the thing come down. So big up on yourself and look more from now. I have to left here, so go around, see if I can get some Wi-Fi, you know, just for kind of upload the video so you guys can see. And I'm telling you, it's no joke out here. At least we're cool. At least the mosquito them not on this side because it's so windy. No mosquito is here. But around on the other side, where the Wi-Fi there, mosquito are killing around there. So just stay tuned and watch what's going on. So let's go and stay with me. Alright guys, so right now I'm just here trying to edit the video and thing. Not sure I'm gonna finish tonight though, cause trust me. Right now I'm there, the breeze is so cool and I don't know, just make me want to sleep, but you know the thing come down, we're outside. And just work with them until them up and running again. You know? That I. Let me tell you the time right now. The time is 11:07. 11:07. One thing for sure, it is really, really cool. Yeah. Forward with me. I'm at my show now where T-Bag and Climber asleep. I'm showing you what I got. Oh, them man are serious. Serious like a judge. I don't know where they're not coming out here, but watch out. That's a Climber. And this is a T-Bag, and people trust me when I tell you, the water, the edge is right here, guys. Look at this. Right over there. So, if they roll, we better not sleep.
What time it is?
And we better not sleep and roll. Well, then can swim still. God. People, this is some serious thing. See that? I don't play a thing. Serious. Anyways, like I say, I think this is where we're camping it out for the night. Unlike them, I will be staying in the car, you know. Hope them get little sense and come in the car because trust me, this over then there, pan them the boat, they ride pan the hedges, so. Cha. So, I'm going to continue editing, and when I feel a little bit tired, or maybe I'll just go up until about 12 o'clock and then call it a night. So I basically like 50 minutes for work with. You see me? So now just go and stay tuned. Remember, we're outside and we're out here without fear, you know? We'll do it and just do it the right way. You see me? Yeah. So now just go and watch what I go on. That is it. Alright guys, so I switched to editing on the phone. And the time is now 11:31, and trust me, sleep start bite me, so I am going to pause right here and just get some sleep, and then, you know, just wake up back and continue. If I don't wake up back before tomorrow, then tomorrow I continue. See? Yeah. Troops and, well, T-Bag and Climber forward in my car. So, them up on the front seat, them. So this is where we're going to sleep for the night, guys. Yeah. Murphy day night. Murphy day in the house. So Murphy will have a better sleep than we. Papi never come down to Union with Papi stay on mainland, so y'all know that go. And the other team, you know, the Vinci team, they are in the place as well, you know, Murphy. So people, the time is now 1:11 a.m. Telling us the time I go run slow. Anytime you know uncomfortable position or situation, the time runs slow. But you don't know what they are soldier it out and not tough it out same way. Yeah, man. So everything come down. The rain kinda still fall, so we just want to stop so we can wind on back the window then for get the cool breeze while come from outside. Uncomfortable. Sleep. Just this little space we have to left out. Guys, we get a little breeze. As you can see. Water. I don't know if it's sure, but yeah. People, so begin to rain again. Every time when it rains, you know, we get hot because we have to care up the windows. We care up the windows and lock up the doors because we don't want to get wet. So right now it's raining outside. As you can see, we have to barely kind of leave this window here basically halfway down, like that's it, you know. Yeah, so as soon as the rain stop, I don't know. Yeah, as soon as the rain stop, I have to bring back down the windows and get some breeze again. Yeah, so Key back there front desk and sleep people. Yeah man, check in again my beautiful people. So I slept, wake up, was editing the video. The time now is minutes after 2. Still dark out. Let me show you the exact time. So it's 2:53 a.m. So 7 minutes to 3 o'clock. I am now just outside of the car. Literally just got out real quick to, you know, get some of this nice cool breeze. Like I say, you know, this is where we're camping. So yeah, T-Bag and Climber in the car sleeping still. When I don't know the thing come down. Yeah. Just go on black stuff. So I just go and stay tuned and watch how I go on. We're outside and we're out here without fear. That is it. One Color Smith TV. No joke, take your time, Isa. Yeah. Alright then people, see it there. Morning, no. Sun no come up fully yet, you know, see it? Yeah. Alright people, check in, good morning again. So we are now on the boat. It's early in the morning, some minutes after 6 a.m. and we are now just getting ready to go back to mainland. Yeah, if this boat left us, then it would have been that we would have to spend the weekend and come back Monday, but we don't have that happen. So yeah, everybody there, the whole team is accounted for, as you can see, and we just brought the car on. So remember me telling you, we're out here without fear. That is it. It's a good look. Yeah man, you know, we're coming back down on Tuesday. Alright, coming back down on Tuesday, gonna grab some supplies. So guys, definitely I'm appealing to you guys, please, you know, just reach out and donate to the cause, because trust me, what I saw and what I see, I don't know normal thing. Try to fly the drone, but because of the airport restricted area, the island kind of small, so you know, it's too close, so we can't take off. So that's just it. But oh my man, not pretty none at all, guys. Not pretty none at all. So I was up pretty much all night trying to edit the video. Didn't get to finish, you know. So I will do my best to finish it up as quick as possible, so you guys can see, you know, what we saw and hear from some of the people, what they are going through. So in the meantime, just go and big up on yourself. We're outside, we're out here without fear. Alright then people, so we are now seated on the boat, as you can see. You see me? We're heading back for mainland St. Vincent and the St. Vincent, yeah. So I don't know if I do the thing as usual, like and subscribe and share. That is it. You're outside, you know?